Hey, this is Rick from Scottsdale Urban Farms, and yep, that's a banana. What we're doing today is we are creating we've got a banana smoothie that I took about, I don't know, it must have been 7 or 8 bananas, and I put them in my Vitamix, and this is what they come out to look like. It's just a goop. It's emulsified. It's emulsifier, and it turns it into really just pulp, if you will. And what we're doing today is we're not creating, you've all heard about compost teas. This isn't a compost tea. What this is going to be is just, it's going to be pure potassium. We have the banana peels in there, the bananas in there. That banana I just showed you at the front of the video. After I get done consuming the banana, I'm going to take the peel and I'm just going to bury it down about 10 inches next to a fruit tree. And that is going to be amazing fertilizer. But what we're going to do today with this is immediately I'm going to take and stop wasting it, first of all. I'm going to take and pour this next to all my fruit trees. We've got apples, we've got plums, we've got mulberry, we have lemon, we have tangelos, we've got grapefruit, we've got just peaches. So we're gonna go feed some apples, and I'm just gonna pour this at the base, and then as we water, all of that potassium will go down into the soil, into the root system, and our trees will thrive. Take care, everybody. This is Rick Borden, Scottsdale Urban Farms in Scottsdale, Arizona, 85254.